Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to another video on the channel. My name is Richard from Bikepacking Adventures, and I just want to tell you about an event that I've got going on next Sunday. Yes, I've left it a little bit last minute, but I did put a post up a couple of weeks ago on the community tabs. Hopefully some of you saw that. It's a gravel ride taking place in Lincolnshire. Starts from Willingham Woods, which is at Market Rasen. If you can arrive about 8:15, we're going to start about 8:45, subject to what the weather's doing. We might have to move forward a little bit if it's going to be frosty. Hopefully it's going to be dry, fingers crossed. As for the route itself, it's about 111 kilometres, less than 700 metres of climbing, so there's not tons of climbing in there, but there's some nice choice off-road, mountain bike-ish-esque gravel bike roads, grassy sections. So don't bring your road bikes to this one. If I can ask you to bring what you can bring though is a front and rear lights, because obviously the days are really short now, and with it being 111 kilometres, if it's foggy or slow light, things like that, I really appreciate everybody bringing front and rear lights. And mudguards might be a good idea as well, considering the autumn we've had. It's been quite wet out there. What else do I need to tell you? So there will be a cafe stop at 70 kilometres, so we've done the lion's share of the ride by this point, which is at Lodge Fishery, which is close to Elsham, or it is actually in Elsham itself. So if you can remember to bring your footlights, bring your mudguard, bring your bike, bring yourself, bring a smiley face. If you can bring all those things, I shall see you next Sunday, 8:15, Willingham Woods, Market Rasen. I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.